Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I wanted to come on real quick and show you guys an easy potato hack that I use to make sure that I use all of the potato. And when I say all of it, I mean all of the potato. So I use the potato for whatever recipe I'm making for dinner, and then I also use the skins. I don't know if you use the skins, but if not, let me show you how you can. So you're gonna start with your cut potatoes and your potato skins. I'm gonna add a little garlic powder because you can never go wrong with garlic. So add it to the skins and then add it to the potatoes. You're gonna add a little rosemary. And then same thing on the skins. And then we're gonna add a little olive oil. So we're gonna add some to the potatoes. And then I lightly just add a little bit to the skin. Oh, that was probably too much. But a little bit to the skins. And then you're just gonna give this a good toss. Do the same thing, toss your potatoes in the olive oil, make sure that all the flavor gets incorporated. All right, so these are the skins of just one potato. So this would probably be like a little midnight snack for me. But the trick is you just want to crisp these up, but you don't want to overcook it, okay? So you're going to have to keep your eye on these. Okay, can I tell you how good these are? Like, they're so simple, but so good. Like, addictive. I mean, look. I'm not even joking. I ate them all. Okay? Like, in like 2 minutes. You gotta try this.